Hey everybody, and welcome back for another guitar tutorial lesson. This song I want to give you guys, I wasn't planning on doing anytime soon, but I heard the song, I started watching some other videos. This song is really, really great, especially when it's played well, to capture the actual feeling of the song. There's just a lot of synthesizer and stuff in this song that make it up, so there's not a lot of parts, but the song is extremely powerful when done correctly, and I think I can present to you the way that I do it has a lot of just power behind it and emphasis, so it's really progressive and just a great overall song with a lot of emotion behind it. So let's go ahead and take a look a little closer and see what we're going to need to learn this song. Okay, so like I mentioned, there are just a few parts to this song. The first thing I want to point out, we have a capo on the 3rd fret. So we're going to go ahead and place the capo there. And then we're going to just need 4 chords to get through the verse. So in this song, we have a verse, we have a chorus, and then we have a bridge outro thing that he does, really progressive. So it's really awesome. So we'll get there. For the verse, we're going to need 4 chords. This is how we're going to play them, and this is the order we're going to need them. We're going to go ahead and start on C, C major. From there, we're going to go to an E minor. Then we're going to play this A7. It's like A minor, but we're just picking this finger up, so we're playing that open. And then we're going to go to a G, but we're going to play the G open, right? So I'm not playing the bottom string. If you can kind of see here, I'm muting the E string with my pinky. So that way when I play this G, this is how we're going to ring out. And I'm muting it with my pinky. I'm doing that just so that doesn't ring out because I don't want to hear that. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how that is going to sound. This is what we're looking at for the verse. So it goes. I'll do that again. So yeah, you might see I'm playing E minor with these 2 fingers because it makes it very simple for me to go to that A7. I'm literally just taking from the E minor, dropping it down there like the A minor. So when I do it, it feels more comfortable because actually this finger's sort of a pivot. We got the C, E, A. I don't have to move it for any of those fingers. And then the G, we're just playing it open. So playing it like that makes it really seamless between the transitions from chord to chord. So that's all we need for the verse. So the chorus is just going to be 4 chords. I'll run through those here with you now. We're going to start off on F. So it goes F, 2, 3, 4, G, 3, 4. So that's the chords we're going to need. We're going to go from F, we're going to walk to a C, to a G. And again, that C just comes right at the end of the measure. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. And I will try to fix you. I can't sing, but I want you to see how that goes. So awesome. So let's go ahead and play that one time from the verse into the chorus so you can see how it goes. I'm going to try to get both of my hands in here, and I'm going to mumble some of the words for you just to help you keep pace. So So I have seen other videos when they play that verse, they're going to be and they really kind of just try to force it through. If you listen to the song, it's mostly synthesizer, bass, a little bit of strumming in the background from guitar. So really the feel and the mood of the song is coming from the synthesizer. So why I play it like I do is to capture that essence of the song. That's why I'm not playing the full G. I'm not playing all this extra. Like, this is one of the songs where less is more, definitely more. So you just want it to be slow and beautiful, right? So that's why I'm giving it to you like this, and it's gonna make sense. So after we come from the chorus, it goes into this outro. Fix you, and this is going to bring us into the bridge. So the bridge, I'm going to go ahead and break it into two sections for you, right? The first four are going to be C to F. So it's going to go to C. Now we're going to do G, but we're going to do just here. And instead of open, we're going to go right here where, as if we were playing that A minor, but we're just, so I don't know if you see that. And we're gonna, so halfway through that measure, we're gonna pull off. F, C, to that G. Okay, so that's the first part. The second part, we're going to do the same thing, but instead of starting on the C, we're starting on this A7. So we're going to go A7 to F to C to G. That same G with our index finger down. Okay, so let me go ahead and play that for you. So also part of what you're going to want to do is a build-up, right? So sort of this song, the way I play the verses, my emphasis, the heavy part of my hand is going to be on the root note always. So when we get to the bridge, it's quite the opposite. So we're going to want to accent that root note. But really what you're hearing is this, the high notes. So when I play it, my emphasis is there. So let me describe what I mean. So we're going to do a build-up. So we're going to do C to the F, C to G. We're going to do that twice. And then it gets heavy when it starts on that A7. Let me illustrate for you here. So. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. So you're really wanting to just softly start off on the root. The strumming pattern, you might hear it as all downs, but when you play it like that, you sound like a robot. So what I try to do is just emphasize the root and then just softly down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm kind of one time on the root, and then down, up, down, up, down, up softly on these, and then build it up. So each time you go back to the root, you can build that root up a little bit more. Just that chorus lick is the outro. It's just single strums with the vocal. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope I've done a good job demonstrating the kind of the technique and how you need to play this song, because it's very simple, very novice, but at the same time there's little things that you can do that are going to make this sound really full, big, and powerful. So if you are playing this live acoustic by yourself, sing along to it, or just you and a singer, whatever, this is what I find to be the most powerful and like influential version of this song, and just kind of playing it like that. So just as a reminder, it's a video. If you need to go back, take a look at any other parts, you can always pause, rewind, and I'm open to questions. So if you have anything, leave it in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer and get back to you. So yeah, as always, thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. I want to keep this going. I feel like I have a good thing going here with how I'm demonstrating a lot of these songs. So yeah, please like, subscribe, help me keep this going. And as always, thanks for tuning in.